Tabi-tabi po. Hi there guys and girls. Good afternoon to each every one of you. One late, lovely afternoon. Can you check this one guys and girls? What kind of wildflowers is this? Are this? This could be the first time I've seen like this yesterday. It was yesterday when I passed by here. I think there's a resemblance to a fish. See the texture. It's like a fish, but I couldn't figure it out. But still amazing, even though this is a wildflowers. Amazing God's creations. Not just wonderful, not just lovely, but amazing. Enjoy it with your bold eyes. Bye for now.